Welcome back to our channel where we dissect the juiciest stock market stories. Today, we're diving deep into the world of grocery giants with none other than the Kroger Company. So grab your shopping carts, because we're about to uncover some stock market treasures. Now, let's start filling up our investment basket with some key numbers. Picture this: you stroll down the financial aisle, and what do you see? The price-to-earnings ratio is the first item on our list. Kroger's PR over the trailing 12 months sits at a cool 18.72, but hold on to your produce, folks. Over the past 5 years, it's been averaging around 16.16. Talk about consistency. But wait, there's more. Forward PR? Kroger's got it, standing at 12.29. And let's not forget about the PG ratio, a nifty little number at 2.34, giving us a peek into potential growth prospects. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Now, let's take a look at the mystical realm of insider ownership. It is at a modest 0.75%, not above 10% as in companies like Amazon or Google, and not as low as Apple's 0.33%. The Knights of Profitability. Kroger boasts a robust return on equity at 19.89% and a respectable return on assets at 4.19%. Looks like Kroger's wielding its financial sword with finesse. Continuing with earnings per share or EPS, Kroger's serving up a tasty $2.96 per share, with a side of optimism for the next 5 years at an expected growth rate of 8%. Bon appetit, investors! Hold on to your hats, because we're about to ride the earnings roller coaster. Over the past 9 years, Kroger's EPS has been on a wild journey, growing at a thrilling compound annual growth rate of 11.16%. So the current expectation could not be optimistic. But what about free cash flow, you ask? Well, let me tell you, it's been a bit of a circus act. With inconsistent evolution over the last 9 years, it's been a roller coaster of highs and lows. But fear not, folks, with a compound annual growth rate of 12.35%, Kroger's still flipping those cash bags like a pro. Dividend yield alert. Kroger's offering a generous 2.14%, with a mouth-watering 13.63% growth over the past decade. It's like getting a bonus treat with every stock purchase. Now, let's catch the wave of revenue and earnings evolution. Over the last 8 years, Kroger's been surfing a slow but steady growth wave. Sure, it's not making tsunami-sized waves, but hey, steady as she goes, right? This consistent growth has been translated to its market price since it has outperformed the VOO during the last 5 years. The maze of debt to equity. Kroger's navigating these financial waters with a ratio of 1.66, and for the long term? It's even better at 1.58. Looks like Kroger's steering clear of the debt iceberg. And the crowd goes wild for Kroger's market performance. With an average price return of 18.27% over the last 52 weeks, it's like a victory lap for investors. Now, let's consult the oracle of analyst predictions. They're foreseeing a price of $53.24 in the next 12 months, representing a slight downside. But hold your horses, because I'm seeing a different future. My crystal ball tells me Kroger's fair value is a whopping $57.60, suggesting a potential undervaluation. Looks like the analysts might need to update their prescriptions. And there you have it, folks. The Kroger Co., a supermarket stock sensation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial adventures, and until next time, happy investing.